making a mistake. Only one instruction. You will swim butterfly. 2 laps. Okay, 2 laps. The next one, the next swimmer follow after coach whistle. Okay? You will do 2 laps also. You will do that in every 1 minute. Every minute only. Okay?
What's enough if I do it?
Because this is what will happen. The second swimmer, after their time, they will go. Okay? The next swimmer, once Paula is swimming over there, towards there, you go, Hasmin. You are the leader. Paula.
Baka matamo ko yung pag nasa gitna. Sorry.
It's butterfly, armward. Put your paddles.
Armor. Warm up lang.
Ruben, I have for you. You want?
Yes,
Ayun.
please, Lord.
I have.
And Heather.
Meron. Coach, bumaba ka naman dito. Oo nga eh. Dito siya. Isa lang.
Hurry up. Pero,
I need to buy this.
butterfly paddles.
Ko. Heather.
Have it.
Bags.
Stand, ah.
Isa lang. Sige, isa na lang siguro. Okay, head.
Bag
Ano
ko.
yan, mas malaki yung kamay niya eh. Dapat eh.
Okay, na. Yeah?
Okay, first group. Ready?
Ready?
Go. Okay. Go, go.
Go! Go! Ay! Antok pa. Masyado nang maano. Oh! Like. Ay,
Kita ko kayo kanina dumating eh.
Coach!
Nag-uusap ako.
Palapag na ng jacket. Coach, matanggal naman ng jacket eh. Ang init na eh.
How was it?
Meron dyan somewhere along the way. So you, somewhere along the way. Kung wala, kumuha ka na. Hindi na, coach. Kanina na dito ba? Go! Okay. Jasmine, pag nasa gitna.
Ready? Go.
Okay, wait. Ready? Go! Late na masyado. Oo, doon. Init eh. Lipat na nga lang. Kaya ay. Init din. Mainit. Excuse me. Sorry. Grabe, pinawisan na ako.
Double all the time. Butterflyers, double all the time. Go.
Coach! Tawag ka, dito ka daw.
Go.
Dito ka daw, sabi nila. Sabi nila kanina. Bakit ayaw mo mag-pinit yung coach? Sabi mo din, ma'am, doon yun lang pagsikan. Ano nga naman? Ayan, kape oh. Kape.
We don't need to say go. Automatic. Once your swimmer is here, you go. 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 Look, airport there.
Parang yun yung thumb yan, ganyan. Pero alam ko dapat yung kamay nandito. Ayun, yun yung demo. Ha? Ano ba ganyan yan? Ayan, ayan, ganyan. Hawakan mo tayo, nakaganyan. Ayan, ayun ang alam ko. Ayan, ganyan. Alam ko ganyan yan.
Mister, you're not doing double, that's why you got up. The only way to survive it to stay up in the surface is to double. Once you breathe single, you're gonna fall. You'll die. There you go.
Iyak na po. Pagod na yan. Yung maalim lang sa lalas. Hindi ka na panahon sa country. Itingin na lang sa akin.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ruben.
Stay alive by doing double. Pag hindi kayo nag-double, wala na. Lulubog ka. Ready, go!
Ruben, double. Ruben, double. Just say. No. Double. Double.
Good, very good, very good. You're doing good. Now it is good. Very good. This year you're doing good now. Good. Okay, just one last. One last. Ready? Go!
Okay lang yan. Ay, naku, Ruben, double. One.
If only doesn't know how to do double. Kaya pinalo ko na student. Everybody's doing double and para si Bon na manalo ka. Okay, relax. We're doing freestyle. Next, 6 sets also. 6 sets.
Roll like this. Yan. Ganyan yung dapat.
Same thing, Paula. Same thing. This time it's freestyle. Hey, listen to me. Mouth above the water only when you breathe. The lesser you breathe, the better. But pull it hard. Are you listening to me over there? You have to pull it hard. Let this roll. Roll. This is the, you're the car. This is your bearing. This is your wheel. So, it has to move all the time. But you have to push the gear. Diba? Even in car, there is gear, right? Even here. Push. Faster. All the time. Faster. Breathe only above the water, the lesser. The lower you breathe, the lower you breathe, the better. Okay? The lower you breathe, the better. Ready? Ready, ready. Ready, go. Ready. Go. Alex, pakicorrect mo si ano? Yung anong babae? Pwede?
Ano?
Dali mo kaya doon.
Sino?
Si ano, Alabi. Sayang, ang lakas eh. Ka, sabihin ko.
Better, right, anak?
Ano nangyari doon? Sino? Hindi, mata niya ano. Ay, nag-vlog. Hindi ba? Ah, naano niya yung mata.
Ano nangyari?
I don't know.
Naanay lang yata sila na.
Ha?
Nagkatama.
Katamaan ata. Ano kaya nangyari doon?
Nagtamaan.
Ah, natamaan po siya?
Faster, Eden! Faster, Eden! Slow, slow, faster! Go! Go! See, it's better after the flood. Wala ng cake, kamay na lang.
Oo. Ito, nagkatamaan ata.
Wala ng cake, wala ng bubbles. Hindi, kamay lang talaga eh. Ay,
Kamay lang talaga.
Walang paa.
May time ata sila for combination na. Ayan, kamay lang yan.
Yes, masyado mabagal. Faster, Eden, faster. Ready, go. Ready, go.
Ay, yun yung bigay ko sa yung pera. Nandiyan eh. Thank you.
Kasi ka ng ganyan, mabuting ilagay na din ang plate. Kasi naman na yun ang anak ko yun. Yun ang kung after that na, kahit paano, stop na kayo habit. Mahirap na
Ayan.
same mom.
Oo. Naman. Hindi ganun ang dali.
Nakagitan pa.
Sanay na sanay na.
Ayaw ako. Sabi ko, pero ano
Doon. Wala may corona.
sila magka-age sila no?
Ano nga na kutis niya eh. Si Rowena may tin niya eh.
Kasi nga umiitin niya.
Oo.
Kasi talaga yung mga
Rowena, pag isang araw di lumango yun. The next day. Normal. Pero pag nasa tubig na naman, balik na naman siya sa... Anak niyo po?
Eight, ano? Eight? Yeah.
Ako din, yung mga anak ko kay coach. Sa coach lang din nila yung kikinig. Hindi ko sinasabihin, wala akong sinasabi. Bahala yung coach, sabi ko, bahala ka dyan. Alaga mo yan.
Last one. Ready? Go.
Please like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Cheese!